beauties, welcome to my channel Delilah Speaks, and I'm Delilah, and today I'm going to be talking about Boxy Charm. My order just came in a couple of days ago. I wanted to open this box with you to share what good products are inside. This is my first month with Boxy Charm, so I want to give you my thoughts, and whatever products I can use today, I'll be sharing that with you. And if there's a product in here that needs like a few days or a week to give a true review, I'll open the product, show it, and then give it to you, give you my review in about a week or so. All right, guys, let's see what's in the box. Oh, they put a cool little foam thing in here. Give you like a profile to, you know, whether you want makeup or more skincare. I'm not sure if they really paid attention to what I like, but they put some skincare in here. They put this very clean. It's a makeup melt away cleansing balm. I'll let you know what that one's like. Actually, today I can try that out after I put on some of the makeup they put in this box. And then the body wash infused buffer by Beyond Cleansing. Wow, look at that. I'm curious to see how this works. I'm not sure if I really need any correcting on my lip line, but it's by QMS. I'm curious to see what this is like. It's Hank and Henry in Color Living Palette. I can use this today, so I'll let you know how this works. It's an eyeshadow. An Ultimate Lip Definer by Becca. Look at that. So I could try this out today. So at least 3 of the 5 products that I received in my Boxy Charm box I can use today. So you and I will check this out together. I haven't used any of these products at all. I wanted to actually open it. It's like when you have a subscription like this, it's like a Christmas gift. You don't know what's in the box, and the cool thing about Boxy Charm is you don't know really when it's coming, like in an exact date. So it came towards the end of March for me, so I wanted to share this review with you and also share my experiences while you're watching. Now let's dive in and see how these products work. Okay, beauties, I've already put my foundation on, my primer, my foundation, my eye primer, and I did my eyebrows. I think I missed a spot, so let's fill that area. And remember, they're sisters, they're not twins, so actually in a cool little package. And the colors, the name of the colors are on the back, which is pretty cool. And these are the colors, pretty cool colors. Let's see what we can do with these colors, and what kind. And there's a little mirror in there, which is nice too. So you can check yourself out while you're putting your eyeshadow on. This color first, and then we'll go from there. I think I have an idea. So I used my Anastasia eye primer. I do like that primer actually. I'm gonna just tap this here. Eyeshadow. This is the color I decided I want to start it off with first. And there's not a lot of there's no fallout. Remember, you gotta tap. All right, now that's a pretty color. What's La Canela? That's the name of that color, La Canela. This one right here. So if you got this Hank and Henry in your Boxy Charm, this shadow's pretty good right now so far. So let's see what this other color does. Purple one, right now. You're gonna be like, Delilah, it does not blend, but today it will. So tap. Not much fallout. Pretty impressed, Boxy Charm. Okay, with Hank and Henry. Let's see what this, ooh, look at that purple. Yes, look at that. Yes. Ooh la la. Yes. Look at that so far. Oh my goodness. Yes. I'm loving this so far. Yes, ladies. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this turquoise one. And I love how it has the shimmer. There's also some matte colors. I'm definitely using the shimmer ones because I'm a glitter girl. I love shiny stuff, so let's try this. All right, and this side. Oh my, look at that. Look at that, ladies. Color palette is awesome, I have to say. Awesome so far. Good job, Boxy Charm and Hank and Henry. I'm loving this. So if you got this in your Boxy Charm package, worth it. Look at those colors. Hank and Henry. Hi beauties. So I just finished my face, as you can see. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with this Becca lip. This right here, I was kind of surprised. The color is called Fun. Love the name for this lip liner. Love the name Fun. And ooh, I can't wait to see what this color looks like on. And if it's red, you know I love red. So, ooh, too pretty. And what I'll encourage you guys to do is fill in your lip with the lip liner so your lip can stay longer. There you go, beauties. So that's the color. By Becca, let me tell you, Boxy Charm, I'm impressed with these two products that I got today out of the box that I can use today. I'm impressed, I'm impressed, I'm impressed. And I can't wait to use the Melt Away Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Can't wait to use that. I'm going to show you guys later what this one is like. This right here, the Becca Fun color, is a great color. So this Becca Fun color, good job Boxy Charm and good job Becca. I'm gonna do a red with this one, and I love red. So look at this. Guys, they have a little lip, like, so you can make it a point, like a little lip sharpener. I did not even look at this. Oh my gosh. And that's not it. Guys, they have a little lip corrector so you can, if you made a mistake. Oh my gosh, Becca, this is awesome. Oh, Becca, you look at that, guys. It's on this end, okay? Lip liner is on this end, and the little squeegee cleaner thing for the lip, like the lip liner corrector part, is on the other end. Oh my gosh. Good job, Becca. Good job, Boxy Charm, with the color Fun. I love this. Hi beauties, it's Delilah from Delilah Speaks, and this is the moment of truth from my Boxy Charm, the Very Cherry Clean. So I'm going to try it right now like I promised. This is what it looks like. Oh, and it does smell like cherries. So what the directions say is gently massage onto dry skin. Oh, it's pretty. The texture is pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna rub it on my hands. My hands are clean. And it says massage onto dry skin. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm working. All right. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it like just melted off my face. Makeup, look at that. Oh, let's try it on these lips. Look at that. It's coming right off. Look at that. Boxy Charm, you guys did a great job with the selection, actually. Great job. This stuff like literally melt off this makeup. I'm about to do my eyes right now, guys, so you can see it. And then close my eyes so you guys can see for yourself. Look at that. Comes right off. It's impressive. That's impressive. That is impressive. This is some impressive. Wow. Look at, no, my face. Oh, don't forget the neck. This is it. So you saw my before, and this is my after. All right, guys, so check them out. Check out Pharmacy. And if you got Boxy Charm, it came in your kit for some of you. And if not, I know they give you the option to order this stuff. Order it if you can. This stuff is amazing. Okay, beauties, this is my final look. Delilah gives Boxy Charm 2 thumbs up, especially with the products that they had in the box this month. I felt like I got more than my money's worth for this product, the products that were in this box. So guys, I'll see you next time. Guys, and if you like my shirt is from Secondhand Curves in Rockford. Yes, if you see it, yes. It's a comfy shirt, beautiful, and love the color, especially since spring is here. On my channel, Delilah Speaks. Thank you for watching, and share, subscribe below, and tell me what you thought about the Boxy Charm that you received. I know some people receive different products in their box, so comment below. Yes, comment below, and I do reply to the comments, and tell me what you thought about your monthly, you know, subscription with Boxy Charm. I thought it was great this month, so good job, Boxy Charm, and bye.